Hi guys! Today we're making slime in the car wash. Another hashtag slime in public. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you will be notified every single time I upload. Also, hashtag slime me down in the comments section. Like this video and be subscribed to my channel. When this video reaches 5,000 likes, I will choose one winner to win a free 4-ounce slime from my slime shop. My slime shop will be linked down below. Now let's go make some slime. Alright, filming some footage. Gonna go to the car wash and make some slime.
It totally looks like you're speeding right now. Yeah. All of it?
You don't have much time.
And it's like the 30-second challenge thing. Okay, then we have just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Okay, then then we're gonna add these beads.
Car wash slime challenge. No pressure.
I can't get the bag open. How much of these do you add?
What? Okay, I think that's enough beads.
Ah! Okay, then we're just gonna activate it.
Activating?
I think so.
Okay. We're almost done! Hurry up!
It's not coming together. Why isn't it coming together? It's
How much are you using? Squirt more in.
It's still liquidy. Why isn't it coming together?
Come on, add more, add more, add more.
It looks like it's deactivating it.
Okay, add more. How much water did you add?
Just very little.
Oh.
What happened?
Okay, give her the other activator. Here, try this activator.
What happened to it?
I don't know.
I didn't do anything. What the heck?
Keep mixing.
I'm so confused.
You just added the glue and then
yeah, it's on video. What the heck?
Here, let's park and try to
fix
it.
It's like it deactivated it.
Okay, here, let's see.
Is this activated or is it just water?
No, don't it. Okay, here.
confused.
Here, hand it to me. Maybe I didn't put borax in there. In that bottle.
Oh,
Are you kidding?
This is
No,
just water.
I'm just saying maybe I didn't. I don't remember. Because everyone was talking to me when we were leaving the house.
I remember you just filled it up all the way.
Okay, it's coming together.
Sabotage me.
No. So is there a
Sabotage.
powder in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe you just needed more.
Saboteur.
Scimitar.
I was sabotaged.
You want to finish it?
Oh, sure. I feel betrayed.
Betrayed, bewildered.
Oh,
Okay.
this is so funny.
Okay. Okay, it's coming together. Here, you can finish it.
What? That was a... what happened?
With more activator.
Just can you focus on that?
Oh, look. Cut to it. Oh, look. It came together after all.
Cut to it. All right, so
This was
slime
weird.
through the car wash.
This is weird. Why did that happen?
You know, I don't use this glue that much, but maybe it has something to do with the type of glue.
Maybe if you add... No, I don't.
Well, at least the car's clean. You can see through the windows. Maybe you should go in with your hands now.
It's kind of like jiggly slime where like it's kind of sticky.
Because so much water was added.
Yeah. It's like crunchy jiggly slime.
Do you need more activator?
Maybe a little bit.
That's a pretty color. I like it.
Yeah. Because it did come together in the end.
Good job. All right, off to the mall.
Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to check me out on all other forms of social media.
Don't forget to check us on social media.
See you next time.
See you next time.